Welcome students. In this video we will study the topic graphical solution of linear inequalities in two variables and solve the sums of exercise 6.2. This is chapter 6 of class 11th linear inequalities of NCERT. Now first of all we will see here in this graphical solution of linear inequalities in two variables, what we do is we draw the graph of the given inequality, and from that graph we find the solution of those inequalities. Now here we will see that if we draw a straight line, a vertical line, it divides the Cartesian plane in two half planes, left half plane, the left hand region, and the right hand region, which is called right half plane. Similarly, if it is not a vertical line like this slanting line, it also divides the Cartesian plane in two regions, upper half plane and lower half plane. First region, lower half plane, I have denoted it with first, and second is upper half plane. So in this topic we will use these conditions, and further we can see a point in the Cartesian plane will either lie on a line or will lie in either of the half planes first or second. If we take any point in the Cartesian plane with coordinates, two coordinates, x coordinate and y coordinate, that point, there are three options for that point. Either it lies on a line or it lies in first half plane or in other second half plane. For example, if we have a line ax plus by equal to c, for this the point say xy, if we solve this equation, that point it lies on this line ax plus by equal to c. Now if we have this inequality ax plus by greater than c, so here we can see that the if we solve this, we will take the same points, and the solution region will be we will put x equal to 0, y equal to 0. We see that 0 greater than c. If c is positive, this is not correct. 0, it cannot be greater than c. So the solution region will be away from origin, that is the second half plane. And in the third situation, if ax plus by less than c, if we put x0, y0, that is this origin, so we see that 0 is less than c, which is true. So the solution region will be towards origin, that is the first half plane. So in this way we can find the solution regions of the given inequalities. So we will see it with the help of an example. This is the example 9 of NCERT. Solve 3x plus 2y greater than 6 graphically. So first of all, we have made its graph. You have already studied how to draw the graph of a line. First of all, we make this kind of a table, x and y. So putting x equal to 0, writing it as a equation, 3x plus 2y equal to 6, and putting x equal to 0, we get the value of y as 3, and then putting y equal to 0, we get the value of x is 2. Now we plot these points. So this is 2 0 and this is 0 3, and we join them. This is the graph of the given line. Now we have to find the solution region. For this, what we do is we take a point, take x0 and y0. So what we will have, putting in this inequalities, 3 into 0 plus 2 into 0 greater than 6, 0 greater than 6, this is not true, this is false. So the region will be away from origin, that is this half plane. This is the required solution region. We can denote this region by first and this is by second. So second half plane, or we can say shaded region, you can also write. Second half plane will be the solution region. of this inequality. That means in this region, the solution of this inequality lies. So this is an example. Now we will start the exercise 6.2. So here again we have to solve the following inequalities graphically in two-dimensional plane. So first of all we will draw the graph of the line. Draw the graph of the line x plus y equal to 5. So we will make this table, and putting x 0 we get the value of y as 5, then y is 0, then value of x is 5. So we will make this graph here. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up till 6 we can take. Here again minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. This is our x-axis and this is y. So taking the points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the negative ones and so on. So if we plot the first point 0, 5, that will be here, and then 5, 0, this will be here. So we join this. So we can see this is our line. You can draw this with the help of a scale, so that will be more appropriate. I have drawn it roughly. So this is our line. So it divides the region into two parts, first half plane, second half plane. Now how we will check that which is our solution region? So what we do, putting x equal to 0, y equal to 0, what we get? 0 plus 0 less than 5, 0 less than 5, which is true. This is true. So our region will be towards origin. The solution region will be towards origin, that is here. This is the shaded region. So the shaded region towards origin will be the, you can say will be the solution region of this inequality, of the given inequality. And here we will notice one thing, that it is a strict inequality, so the points on the line will be excluded. So you can write it here, since it is a strict inequality, means there is not equal sign in between. It is less than, not less than, equal to. Since it is a strict inequality, so points on line will be excluded. So this is the solution of question number first. So in the same way we will solve second question. Now your equation is inequality is 2x plus y greater than equal to 6. So draw the graph of equation 2x plus y equal to 6. So making it stable, when x is 0, y is 6, and when y is 0, x is 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 1, minus 2. We don't need these negative points. So 0, 6 first values, and other is 3, 0 other point is. So join them. So this is the region. We are getting two regions. So how to find the region now? Putting x equal to 0, y equal to 0, we get 2 into 0 plus 0 greater than equal to 6, or 0 greater than equal to 6, which is not true. 0 cannot be equal to or greater than 6. so which is not true. So the shaded region will be away from origin. This is the region. So shaded region. Now here equality sign is there, including the points on line forms the solution region of the given inequality. Here it will be away from origin. This thing you have to keep in mind. Now third question. Now here this is the inequality. So writing it as equation, drawing its graph. Now putting x0, y is 3 and putting y0, x is 4. So plotting the points. First point is 0, 3. Second is 4, 0. Now joining them. This is the required line. Now again there are two regions. So putting x equal to 0, y equal to 0, 3 into 0 plus 4 into 0 less than equal to 12, that is 0 less than equal to 12, which is true because 0 is less than 12. So this inequality is satisfied. So the shaded region will be towards origin की तरफ. So here shaded region towards origin, you can write it in bracket, with the points, because there is equality sign also, with the points situated on line forms the solution region of the given inequality. So this completes the third question. Now look at the fourth question. Fourth is y plus 8 greater than equal to 2x. Now first of all we can write it as y minus 2x greater than equal to minus 8. This can be written in this form also. So y minus 2x equal to 8, we will plot this equal line, we will draw this line. So putting x equal to 0, y is minus 8, and putting y equal to 0, we get x equal to 4. So now here again we will draw the graph first. So this is x-axis, y, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. You can extend it. Minus 6, minus 7, minus 8 and so on. So first point is 0, minus 8 here and 4, 0 here. So we join them. Now again it will divide, it is dividing the region in two parts. So for finding our solution region, we put x equal to 0, y equal to 0 in the given inequality. So we get 0 minus 2 into 0 greater than equal to minus 8 or 0 greater than equal to minus 8. Now we know 0 is greater than minus 8. So which is true? This inequality is true. So the region will be towards origin. That this is the shaded region here. So here shaded region, that is towards origin, and since there is sign of equality also, and the points situated on line forms the solution region of given inequality. This is the fourth question. Now look at the fifth question. In the fifth question, this is the inequality x minus y less than equal to 2. So again, draw the graph. Now again, putting x equal to 0 we get y2, and putting y 0 we get x2. So draw the graph of this line. We get if x is 0, we get y equal to minus 2. So putting 0 minus 2 point will be here, and 2 0 is here. So joining them. Now here again we have two regions. So putting x equal to 0, y equal to 0, we get 0 minus 0 less than equal to 2, 0 less than equal to 2, which is true. So the region will be towards origin, this region, origin की तरफ. So here shaded region towards origin, and since equality sign and points lying on the line gives the solution region of the given inequality. Now look at the sixth question. Here 2x minus 3y greater than 6. So write in equation form and plotting its graph. When x is 0, y is minus 2, and when y is 0, x is 3. So drawing the graph, plotting the points, first is 0 minus 2, so here, and 3 0 somewhere here. So you can plot it in this dotted form also. If it is a strict inequality, you can plot it in dotted form also. In the previous question also, we can like in this question, in the first question, you can see here also we can plot it in dotted form, because it is a strict inequality. There is no equal sign here. So here also we can plot it in dotted form. So again we have to find the region. So putting x0, y0 in the given inequality. So 2 0 minus 3 0 greater than 6. So 0 greater than 6, which is not true. Which is not true. So region will be away from origin. This is the region. So shaded region away from origin, and you can write shaded region forms the solution region of the given inequality. Here there is no equal sign, so the points on the line are excluded because there is no equality sign here. The points lying on the line will not be included, they are excluded. So this completes sixth question. So if you find this video useful, please subscribe my channel and like and share this video. Thank you.